How to turn on Speedometer in Google Maps, if available in your region. If the feature is available in your region, here's how to enable it. First, open the Google Maps app on your iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, tap Settings. Now, tap Navigation. Scroll down until you find the Driving Options section. If the speedometer option is available, simply turn on the toggle next to speedometer. The next time you start driving with turn-by-turn navigation, your current speed will appear on the navigation screen. If you don't see the speedometer option, the feature may not be available in your country or region, or it may not be supported on your version of Google Maps. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the speedometer in Google Maps on your iPhone, if it's available in your region. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, app tutorials, and how-to videos.